the new one, the HP, got this in the back. So the new HP drills do got the tabs here for the HP power. Because you can have a Ryobi like this that says HP, but they don't actually need the extra high performers. You see the difference? This one don't got the tab even though it's an HP. And you can put an HP battery on it, but it's not necessary. But it's still good. Ryobi drill. I got videos on my channel using this Ryobi. There's an impact, and yeah, I could penetrate wood without using the drill bit. Well, let's test this out. Now most people buy this to drill through concrete or to mix concrete. We're gonna put it to the test right now. Building this gate, I gotta drill through the concrete. Make sure you buy masonry. A drill bit that's for concrete masonry. It will say masonry drill bit. Let's put this to the test. In case you're thinking of buying one, you'll be able to see it in action right now. Actually did a pretty good job. Go a bit deeper. I think that did a great job. That was pretty quick. I do got it on the second for the hammer. Yeah, if you're looking to buy this, I think it's worth the money. Soon I'm gonna have links in the description in the bottom. You can just buy these online through Ryobi, and you don't actually have to go to Home Depot and buy this. You might even get a better deal online. Yeah, if you're thinking of buying this, give it a try. I'm gonna be using this in other DIY projects on my channel, so subscribe if you want to see this in action and other things. and I have a lot of projects to do. Building this gate as well. You might see this on my channel soon. The sliding gate. That one should be up already. The other gate. But yeah, Ryobi getting the job done.